So if you haven't guessed by now, this is a Star Wars parody airsoft game. It was a bit of a silly game, just lots of fun with some weird and wonderful rules. There were Jedi and Sith walking around, as well as an elusive Mandalorian which I actually never saw in battle.
Contact.
With our Sith Lord off hunting the evil Jedi,
I don't know.
my squad and I were left patrolling, only to stumble across the smelly, hairy Wookiee patrol.
Hey, nice. No, you didn't.
The filthy Wookiee managed to cut me and one of my squad mates down, only to walk into an ambush set by one of our last members. He fought valiantly until he was beaten.
A minute. About 20 seconds.
And then this strange Wookiee started performing some sort of mating dance in front of us. The Wookiee are strange people. It was our duty to recapture sectors taken by the invading Jedi forces. I was fortunate to be selected by a Sith Lord to patrol with him as we reclaimed the sectors. The scheming Jedi had laid a trap, and as we approached this sector, it was sprung. To win the duel, the Jedi or Sith needs to be the first to land 3 solid hits.
Okay. I'm gonna shoot you once. Because I can't die again without some vengeance. Oh.
We had found the Jedi patrol. Figuring the best approach I could do was to take the high ground by leaping into the air. It's about this point that I realised I'd overcommitted. Shortly after, I ended up on my arse. So I guess having the high ground doesn't always pay.
Well done. That was nice.
Respect to the plane, man.
I was given a chance to redeem myself by this Sith warlord. As he stalked searching for the evil Jedi, we were rewarded when we finally found this patrol. He leapt into action, carving up the enemy like they were mere children. I moved close to capture the sector. As I got there, another trap was sprung, but this valiant Sith Lord carved down the enemy. We continued our search for the evil Jedi, and we discovered the settlement.
Where is it? Jedi coming in!
As we approached, it was clear the Jedi had infested these grounds. One of our comrades was already engaging.
Oh, we need a man on it.
We sought the Mandalorian to help us defeat the Jedi, our Sith Lord fallen to their blades. I had a plan. It was desperate, but it might work.
Jedi, how do you face a thermal detonator? Ah, not really good. Try that again. Murdered by a Jedi. You filthy scum.
Throughout my footage, you would have seen us interacting with little black boxes with sector written on top. These are skirmish devices, provided by Special Effects Limited for the Star Wars game. These devices allow you to use RFID tags inside a wristband to interact and score points. Points are given for capturing a sector, for assisting in a capture, and for duration of holding the sector. At any time during the event, you can go online to the Skirmish website and see these real-time maps. As sectors are being captured, they flash, meaning that you have time to try and interact. Not all sectors are captured in the same period of time. Some are quick, like 60 seconds. Some take a little bit longer, like 6 minutes. It all depends on how difficult it is to capture that area, and then timing is adjusted. You can also view real-time analytics of who is capturing a sector and how many points they have, giving you a leaderboard to follow. During a skirmish event, it becomes natural to try and score as many points as possible. The Jedi dominated us with capture points. However, I still managed to be the top scorer for the day, which is nice, and those who know me know that I'm not competitive, so this doesn't really matter to me. For now, just want to do a shout out to the Jonos at Special Effects Limited, saying thank you again for bringing this very cool system to New Zealand. Follow me and my team, the Beeb Magnets, on Facebook and Instagram. Find out more about Taranaki Airsoft Rangers, my home club. I'm proud to be sponsored by Special Effects Retail. If you enjoyed my content, please like, subscribe, and get notified.